Hi, I'm Becky McGuire. Welcome to my channel. This is Kinley. I'm talking to you today about Posh the People. Posh the People is Perfectly Posh's new initiative or campaign to help bring in new customers and reward you for trying Posh. So you place an order of $25 or more in the month of August. You can add one of these products to your order for free with a little code that I have. It's a promotional code that I can give you to add to your order. Okay, so the first one, there's 4 choices of products you could add. So the first one is Honey Honey. Honey Honey is a super light lotion. It absorbs very quickly into your skin. It's got a sweet honey lemon scent, kind of like lemon Skittles. What do you think? Do you like it? And it's great for the whole family. My husband can use it. My kids can use it. And it even is great to help keep some bugs away because of the lemon. It's got apricot kernel oil in it and sunflower oil, and it's just a lovely body cream. It's probably our best-selling body cream. Okay, what's next? Next is the pineapple mask. It's called Pineapple Pick Me Up. It has fruit enzymes in there to exfoliate your skin gently. It's actually a chemical exfoliation because of the fruit enzymes, but it's much more gentle than like glycolic acid or a different chemical exfoliation that you might use. So it has a sweet pineapple scent. It's like a clear gel. It's very gentle and it's awesome. It's $20 and it'll be free in your order if you use the code. What's next? You can also choose Cackle Spackle. This is a charcoal mask with kaolin clay in it. It's going to be very, very cleansing. It's going to help pull out any pollutants, blackheads, whiteheads, any blemishes that you have on your skin. Pull them out to help keep your skin really, really clean and clear. So Cackle Spackle. And the last choice is Feel Better Soon. It's a lavender soap chunk. Let's smell it. It's made of palm oil. It's triple milled. What do you think?
Lavender.
It's got actual lavender in there in the soap. Very, very natural. And it has that really relaxing, soothing lavender scent. So if you like using lavender before you go to sleep, this will be great in your bathtub. This is $10 and it is also free in your order if you choose and use the code. So I hope that you do. Message me. You can find me on Facebook or you can message me right here on YouTube. I can get to these codes right out to you so you can place the order. And my website is www.poshwithbecky.com. I would love to help you if you would like to place an order in this month and be a new customer of mine and try Posh for the first time. So have a great day. We hope I'll talk to you soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.